Add to water and water the peonies. It's the best spring fertilizer for peonies. And soon the peonies will be covered in flowers in return. At this time of year, peonies start to sprout. Here's how beautifully their shoots start to grow. Spring is the right time to start fertilizing them. They are coming to life, and you can provide them with better conditions with the right fertilizer. In a few weeks, you will admire beautiful buds. They will increase every day. Then they will only bloom and smell beautiful. No one can pass by their flowers indifferently. Although they bloom briefly, it's hard to resist their charm. That's why it's worth taking care of them to make them even more beautiful this year. You can make this simple fertilizer anytime. It's best to water the peonies with it from early spring. All you need is a bucket of warm water. Prepare a fertilizer in it that will provide the peonies with the necessary nutrients for growth. It will strengthen their roots and stimulate flowering. Dissolve a cube of yeast in 10 liters of warm water. Leave it for an hour to dissolve and then water the peonies. This non-fermented yeast fertilizer is simple and quick to prepare. If you make fertilizer with yeast and sugar, then leave such fertilizer for a week. After this time, dissolve 1 cup in 10 liters of water and only then water the peonies. Dissolve in water and water your peonies with this in March. You'll spend only pennies on this, and in a few weeks their stems will be bending under the weight of buds. They will reward you with beautiful large flowers. If you want to enjoy peony flowers longer and expect a more abundant bloom, make this fertilizer. It is only used in spring. March is the best time to do it. New stems of these beautiful flowers are already emerging from the ground. If they have the right conditions, their beautiful flowers will delight everyone. The proper fertilizer will provide them with everything they need at the moment. You surely have this product at home, and just 1 spoonful is enough to make it into a fertilizer. It is the perfect fertilizer for acid-loving plants, just like peonies. Simply dissolve 1 tablespoon in a bucket of water and water the peonies. This fertilizer will provide them with the proper pH of the soil. They will easily absorb the necessary nutrients, including calcium and potassium. It will also protect against diseases. Prepare about 10 liters of water. Add 1 tablespoon of citric acid to it. Dissolve and water the peonies. The acid will maintain a slightly acidic pH of the soil. This is suitable for peonies. Thanks to this, they will soon bloom beautifully. Nourishing smoothie for peonies and hydrangeas. Your garden will overflow with blooms, and it's made from ingredients you usually throw away. The first ingredient, banana peels. They're a natural elixir packed with everything your flowers need to grow strong and healthy. They boost blooming and plant immunity. Peel 2 bananas and toss the peels into a blender. Next, add eggshells, full of calcium, magnesium, and potassium to support root development and strengthen stems. Throw in a few shells. Now add coffee grounds, a real treat for plants. Rich in nitrogen, they promote leafy growth and improve soil structure. Add 5 tablespoons of dried grounds to the blender. Pour in 1 liter of water to bring everything together. Blend for about 2 minutes until smooth. You've just made an all-natural, eco-friendly liquid fertilizer. Store it in an airtight container. Water your peonies and hydrangeas with it once a week, and they'll reward you with lush, vibrant blooms. It's like a home spa treatment for your garden. Natural power for your tomatoes. Since I started using this trick, my neighbors can't believe their eyes. Your tomato plants will give you 5 times more fruit than before. They'll be big, healthy, and sweet. Start by digging a small hole next to each plant, just a few centimeters deep. Take some banana peels and cut them into small pieces directly into the hole. Banana peels are a fantastic natural fertilizer, rich in potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Tomatoes need these nutrients to grow fast and produce lots of fruit. Cover the hole with soil and water your tomatoes as usual. The peels will slowly decompose, releasing nutrients straight to the plant's root system. This gradual process ensures long-lasting nourishment. Your tomatoes will grow up to 5 times faster. A cheap and brilliant way to get large, juicy, and sweet tomatoes. Sprinkle this on your tomatoes and cucumbers, and they'll reward you with huge harvests. It works better than store-bought fertilizer. And everything you need is already at home. Plants need regular feeding to grow healthy and produce abundantly. Without it, they quickly weaken, leaves turn yellow, and yields are poor. Homemade fertilizer is not only cheaper, but also completely safe for the environment. You can even use it if you have a small garden or grow vegetables in containers. Add 1 tablespoon of citric acid to a bucket with about 1 1/3 gallons of water. Stir well until completely dissolved. Citric acid slightly acidifies the soil, which helps plants absorb important nutrients more easily. As a result, they grow faster, fuller, and become more resistant. It also helps reduce the spread of pathogens in the soil, lowering the risk of fungal diseases and improving the overall health of your crops. Water your tomatoes and cucumbers with this solution. Doing it once every 10 days is enough. The best time is in the morning or evening to avoid sunburn on the leaves. Try this natural mix and watch your tomatoes grow strong and healthy for a long time. 1 tablespoon of this can replace a ton of manure. No more spending money on expensive plant products. This mixture can replace several different fertilizers, and it costs almost nothing. It gives amazing results in the garden. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar to a bowl. Sugar boosts the amount of organic matter and encourages the growth of beneficial soil microbes. Then, add 3 teaspoons of potato starch. It's a natural source of potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, key nutrients for plant growth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. It has antifungal properties, helps plants absorb nutrients, and protects them from disease. Pour the mix into a blender. Add 1 quart of cold water and blend thoroughly until the liquid is smooth and uniform. Measure out 1 cup of the mixture and dilute it in about 2.5 gallons of water. This fertilizer is perfect for watering vegetables, flowers, and other plants. Your garden will soon burst with color and look absolutely stunning. Cheap, natural, and effective. Water these seedlings. You'll manage to strengthen them before planting them in the field. You'll speed up the development of roots, shoots, and leaves. You'll fortify the young plants. They'll be more resistant to diseases and unfavorable weather conditions. To prepare it, you need a few products that you surely have at home. To start, about 10 grams of onion skins are enough. Transfer them to a jar and pour about a liter of hot but not boiling water over them. Close the jar and set it aside, preferably for 1 day in a warm place. The next day, strain the liquid through a sieve lined with gauze. This liquid alone is rich in many nutrients and minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. To this water, add 1 teaspoon of dried yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it and leave it for 2 hours. Yeast is a source of B group vitamins. It also contains magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Before watering the seedlings, the fertilizer should be diluted in 4 liters of water. Water the seedlings with the diluted fertilizer. You'll strengthen tomato seedlings even before planting them in the field. You can use this fertilizer once every 10 to 14 days. Even frail seedlings will become strong and healthy.